Alright, finally got nice enough weather to try out and put some parts on. Ugh. Boy, I'm out of shape. Now, as you can see right here, handlebars are just a little bit bent. I'm going to fix that. If you look down there, that gear shifter just not in the right place. And I took off the flatland radiator guard. I don't know if you can see that, but it's still leaking a little antifreeze. Well, I'm not going to film the whole thing. I might stick a time-lapse camera on it, but I'll let you see what we do here. The bars are bent good. Okay. As you can see, radiator's bent a little bit. It's guarded up some. But all in all, the flatland radiator guard did the trick. Okay. This is what the flatland looked like after the accident. Didn't shear any bolts off, bent this lower one over here, but all in all, junk. As you can see, I have plenty of it, and this is the new one. And I left the bolts upstairs. Oh well. Okay. Got me some new handlebars. I'll be putting those on. New hand grips. And somewhere here in my pocket, one of my pockets, the new gear shifter. Yay! And it folds. So we're going to try this out, see how it goes. Trying to figure out a place to stick cameras, but we're going to start doing it. See if that'll sit right there. Probably too far away.